Hi guys, it's Kost with you. Today I will show you speedart version of Fortnite banner template with a Superman from from Invention Season 7. Oh yes, by the way, this is the first time when I record my video with my talking face. Nice to meet you guys. And I just want to ask you, help me find out your interests. Write in the comments what content would you like more, educational or entertainment, probably, in the field of design of course. In general, I will read every your idea, I promise. And before we start, I want to add a new category to my channel. It's called Photoshop subscribers. What you should do to see this category. Take a full length photo of yourself, standing or sitting, it doesn't matter. And show serious emotion on your face, like this. And then send me your high quality photo to my email. You can find it on my channel information. Click on view email address. And then I will pick one or two of the best contributors and create an epic fantasy graphic for them. Okay, now let's see a process of creating a Fortnite banner template. And don't forget that PSD file is available for free download from the description from the link below. Let's go!
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot, will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time, should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign, I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Yeah, I just wanna go back home, can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what the fuck am I fighting for? Were all those rumors true? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. And I don't even know half the things you said. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes. You were fine all this time, I was inside out. Put my heart in your hands and it came back round. Didn't think that you'd fallen so deep. Didn't know that I had it in me. Guess my sanity breaks away too easy.
Bring it to a halt, back down. Bring it to a halt, you're whack and it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a halt, you're whack and it's all your fault.